La Vialla is an organic agriturismo in Tuscany. It grows its own heritage wheat, which it stone grinds into flour. The bran is given to their chickens and the flour is made into bread and pasta.
Buongiorno, mi chiamo Luigina, sono una nonna e oggi facciamo i pisci fatti a mano. Gli ingredienti sono più o meno 400 grammi di farina, poi facciamo una buchetta.
Luigina is a cook at La Vialla, and today she is showing us how to make peachy pasta with salsa etrusca. She uses 400 grams of flour
E poi piano pianino si va.
And approximately 150 ml of warm water with 50 ml of olive oil. Without eggs, this makes a soft dough. Luigina kneads the dough until it is smooth and leaves it for 20 to 30 minutes to rest.
Così per una ventina, mezz'ora massimo, una ventina di minuti.
Salsa etrusca is a kitchen-cupboard sauce. It uses parsley, sun-dried tomatoes, pitted black olives, a hard-boiled egg, black pepper, pepperoncino, and pecorino cheese. Luigina blitzes everything together with olive oil to form a chunky paste. Some versions of this recipe also include anchovies. Luigina then rolls out the dough. She likes to use her forearms as this gives more pressure. And she folds the dough into thirds several times, in effect kneading the dough again. She cuts strips of dough and rolls them out using straight fingers, starting in the middle and moving to either end. Peachy are handmade spaghetti. Thickness varies. Luigina likes thickish ones. The aim is to keep them the same length and diameter.
Allora, noi siamo Antonio, Gianni, Pandino e i fratelli della Fattoria La Vialla, ovviamente. La Luigina è un'ora che...
Ormai sono di famiglia.
La nonna della Vialla, la nonna più bella e più giovane
È
della
l'ultimo
Vialla.
anno questo, mi sembra un bel ricordo. Però bisogna che abbiamo fatto vedere.
Sì.
E
Siamo
poi?
i fratelli Lofranco della Fattoria La Vialla e la nostra passione è la pasta e la vialla, tutte e due.
Brothers Antonio, Gianni and Bandino manage La Vialla and cannot resist joining in the pasta making. Luigina cooks the peachy in plenty of boiling salted water for a couple of minutes. She adds them to the sauce
Vai, mettete qua.
and heats them through with a ladle of pasta water.
La salute.
La nonna Luigina.
La nonna.
The brothers have their reward of a delicious lunch. Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.